everyone, it's Artist from Main Carpentry. Just an update on the job. Plaster has finished plastering. So now our task is to fit like a cornice pelmet. Make a feature out of this, so on here. So what we're gonna put timber in there, screw into alley, then we're gonna have to build it out slightly to take cornice, and we're gonna have some downlights in here as well, and some LEDs on the top lighting out the ceilings. So I hope you enjoy it, and we'll catch up with you soon.
If I'm the bad one, take a look at yourself in the mirror. If I'm the worst one, ask anybody else who they prefer. If it comes down to me and you, I think that you are the one with a bad attitude. Why start a conflict? You got no clue. Tell me, what is your problem? all these rumors you spread doesn't make you feel good too. Cause bloodshed, 'cause I don't really get it. The rumors that you spreading, can see what happened. I mean, we used to be friends.
I have an artist from Main Carpentry. Today, just a catch-up video. We've primed the boxing or trough light. So today we're gonna fit a cornice, which we're just preparing now to match the one we've done on the kitchen, like that. And then after all that gonna be done, then it's gonna get painted and an LED light strip fitted. So, and also we're gonna finish off paneling, wall paneling today. So that's the plan. But today I will be using chest mount. So I'll show you from first person. So please comment, and if you like, let me know if you like the new setup. Hope you enjoy, and we'll catch up with you soon.
You got nothing on me. You try to light a spark, but I won't fall for that. I won't fall for that. All these rumors you spread doesn't make you feel good too. Cause bloodshed, 'cause I don't really get these rumors you spread doesn't make you feel good too. Cause bloodshed, 'cause I don't really get it. The rumors that you're spreading, I don't really get it. I don't.
Hi everyone, it's Artist from Main Carpentry. Today we are finishing off some little bits and pieces on a job where we did this roof and paneling. Show you how it looks. I got a few more little jobs left. Same panel molding in a downstairs toilet to do. And other bits and pieces to do. Put some shelves in a unit we made last time. As it's been sort of painted now. Put them in, and what else? Put radiator on and other little bits and pieces. So hope you enjoy it. We'll catch up with you soon.